So, today's lecture really follows on from the topic of the previous lecture, which, if you remember, was looking at the history, the development of scientific bodies which have grown up in different parts of the world over the last few centuries. The title of today's lecture, as you can see on the slide, is Women as Observers or Participants in the World of Science. So we're going to look at a comparison of the contribution to the body of science in the UK and globally, and assess the contributions made by both male and female scientists over the past 3 centuries. If we think about some of the most significant scientific developments in history, it's clear that women have played a major part. I guess when you're talking about women scientists, everyone always thinks of Marie Curie, but there are other women in history whose contributions to the advancement of science have been immense. Major figures in the 20th century, like Maria Mayer and Lise Meitner in the field of nuclear physics, and especially in the field of biology and medicine, you have women like Gerty Cori, who won the Nobel Prize, the biologist Christiane Nusslein-Volhard, the geneticist Anne McLaren. I could go on. However, women were, and still are, comparatively underrepresented in many of the major scientific fields. And part of what I want to look at today is why that might be, from a historical perspective and with the help of some statistical data. Okay, if we take a look at this second slide, this is one of the most important images in medical science. I'm sure you all recognize the photo. This is the famous Photo 51, the image taken by Rosalind Franklin in 1952 of the structure of DNA. Now, Franklin was working as a research associate at King's College, London, working on techniques to analyze the structure of DNA using X-ray imaging. The Cambridge University team, credited with the discovery of the structure of DNA, Francis Crick and James Watson, together with Franklin's colleague Maurice Wilkins, obtained information about her work before it could be published, and went on to publish their famous article in Nature magazine in April 1953, with only a footnote acknowledging Franklin's data. The 3 men were, of course, awarded the Nobel Prize for medicine in 1962, and although Franklin's contribution to this key discovery has been recognized since her death in 1958, I think it's fair to say that there remains a sense that she's always been unfairly treated and that she deserved a lot more credit for her work than she got at the time.